The topic today I'm going to tell you is very simple.
सर आपने 4 बार सिंपल बोल दिया पर टॉपिक नहीं बोला।
टॉपिक तो मैंने 4 बार बोला है. I have spoken 4 times topic. Today's topic.
सर कोई पेशेंस तो नहीं है?
Today's topic. When
सर
I said
पेशेंस
simple, then that time I also said that today's topic is very simple. So as I spoke simple 4 times, like that I spoke topic 4 times.
The topic is a topic of the today.
Topic is a topic.
मैं आज का topic ही topic.
Topic is a topic.
Please tell us the topic.
Whatever you are.
टॉपिक ही सिंपल है।
मैं बता तो रहा हूँ, मेरे को बोलने तो दो ना यार. Let me speak.
Sir, what is the topic?
टॉपिक इतना घुसा हुआ है तुम्हारी खोपड़ी के अंदर, तो सुन तो लो किसी की. Let me यार speak. I am telling you. But you are not ready to listen to anyone. This is great problem.
Sir, we are ready.
What is this? First, switch on your cameras. Yes, so that I can see you. Whether you are here or not. This is the main thing. Like Yamini, I don't know whether Kabir is here or not. Anuj, I don't know about Anuj. I don't know about Rohit and Harsh. Yes. Like Lakshmi is visible, but Khushi is nowhere. This is great thing. So all should be visible. You are live objects. So you must be visible. जिंदा है ना, तो जिंदा दिखना भी जरूरी है. जिंदे तो तब दिखोगे जब तुम कुछ हिलते डुलते, कुछ ज्यादा भी मत हिलो गौरव की तरह. Don't move so much, just like Gaurav. You always have a movement.
Sir,
He doesn't sit anywhere quietly. He is always doing something. And so today's topic is very simple. We have the students of B20, B11 to B, from B11 to B22. But the students of B22 are very new. And I have invited them here only to listen to the other students who are speaking, so that they can understand that the students who are speaking have been trained here, so that they can get a motivation. ठीक है ना? So today's topic is very simple, and the topic is that, and this is the topic for the students of B20, where we have the students of B11 also, and for the students of B21. But the topic, today's topic is, very simple. And the students
Sir,
of
we don't know.
I'm telling you, yaar, now let me speak, please. And the students of B20 and 21 can speak well on this simple topic that I am going to give you today. And
So feedback किया ना?
बोल रहा हूँ ना यार, मतलब बीच बीच में बोल के सारा रिदम खराब कर देते हो तुम. And some students are very old. We have newest students like Abhijit. Where is Abhijit? Like only one, I think there is only one from B22, and now he also has been disappeared. He is not here. So he should be. Okay. So we have the oldest students like Harshit, like Rakshit, like Rohit, Harsh, like Sushil, Komal also. Now Lakshmi is also has also been an old student, and Kajal also. But the oldest students are Rakshit, Harshit, Sushil, Rohit, Harsh, Komal. So, and the other students who belong to B21, and they are here with me, I think, since April. So they have been about more than 3 months, but they are doing well. So I think they can also speak very well on this simple topic that I am going to tell you. And the topic is, now listen to it so carefully. And the topic is that what is your experience here? Now you have learned this
Yeah,
language.
sir. Yeah, sir.
Now listen to me, yaar. I'm telling about this simple topic.
सर
Okay?
टॉपिक का नाम बता दो सर,
टॉपिक
वो
का
पता
नाम
नहीं किसने माइक
बता
चालू
तो
कर
रहा हूं
दिया.
मैं, तो सुनने को तो तैयार नहीं हो. How did you learn English here? What efforts did you make and what I made?
सर फीडबैक देना है ना.
This is not just a feedback, but how did you learn this language? And
सर
what is the
प्रोसेस
reason that earlier when you were in your academic classes, you are not able to speak this language so fluently, but here you are with me for some time, and I think you all are able. Else than the students of B22. So the other students, the remaining students, can tell their experience that what did they do, what did they do to learn this language in this for 3 months, 4 months, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and what I did. So this is your topic, and I think now the topic is very simple for you, and you are ready to speak on the topic. And please don't leave the
Sir,
class till the last time, because I have some important information for you. So please keep your presence, continue till the last of the class. Thank you very much for listening to me so carefully, and please keep your cameras on till the class
excuse me, sir.
starts. Okay, so I think now you are ready to speak, and you are ready to give your names in the mailbox. And the students of B22, if they like, they can speak about anything. You can speak about you. You can speak one sentence, two sentence, three sentence. My name is this. I live here. I read in this class, like that. If you like to speak, but I have invited you to listen to all, because this is a type of your preparation for your next sessions. So very good. Now I'm starting this class with Gaurav.
Yes,
Gaurav,
sir.
come on. And बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करें आप इसको. मिनिमम वर्ड्स,
Okay, sir.
है ना. कोशिश करें कम से कम शब्दों में बताएं. फ्लो के
Yes,
साथ थोड़ा
sir.
सा कोशिश करें आप. Okay. So come on, Gaurav. Today we are starting our class with you. Hurry up.
Yes, sir. So I'm Gaurav. My today's topic is that how I learned English in this classes. I I was told about these classes by Priya Didi. I will give the credit to Priya Didi to tell me about these classes. Before joining these classes, I knew basic English like tenses, their helping verbs, and pronouns, nouns, because Priya Didi taught me these in Corona pandemic. I joined these classes in September or August of 2024, and I knew a bit of English, but I was very shy to speak English in front of many people. Like, but I'm speaking. So the main buff I got was that I defeated my shyness.
Shyness. My shyness.
Huh. And my confidence overcome or defeated my shyness. So now I can speak in front of many people like you. I'm speaking right now in front of many of you, and I also after joining these classes uh, and after taking these classes for 2-3 months, sir taught us advanced English or intermediate English. So I was it was my first time to know about some advanced English like relative pronoun and gerunds, blah blah blah, etc. So the main buff I got was to defeat my shyness and learned about advanced English. That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, very nice बेटा, बहुत अच्छा. Everything was very nice. शाबाश, keep it up. Very good. Yes. Now I am calling. I think I have the name of Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm telling on the topic that how I learned this language. So I joined these classes in on 7 October 2021 in batch 10, and then. Then I got the reference of these classes from Harshit. Then I joined these classes, and before it, I didn't know about English because we know that mostly in schools there is a method rote learning. So by that method I could only read English and can iterate the English sentences. But when I joined these classes, I learned more about English that we should not have to iterate the English sentences. We have to make it. And so then sir started to teach us in the basic grammar batch. And first sir told us to do self writing. That of that we have learned. So so I started to do self writing. and and we know that self writing or self practice is a basic or very important stage to learn anything. And this is one of the practice by which I learned this language very properly. And then I took an advanced grammar batch of this language, and I learned many new things also. And with these batches in the batches with these topic of English, sir also make us practice of new thing of other things in English, like comprehension passages, listening comprehension, etc. By which we also we also improved our English. And it made it made our English easy. And then I also took again the basic grammar batch and then advanced grammar, because by and because I wanted to revise these batches, because I want to I wanted to learn these topics that are taught in the batches very properly. So then I took the batches again, and then I recalled the old topics that were being taught. And and then And now I answer. That's it.
Very good, beta. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about my feedback. As you know that English is a very important thing, and in everyone, and in every Indian, and in the mind of every Indian, there is a dream to have to be master in this language, and I also had that dream. Had that dream, but I didn't know how could I achieve that, how could I achieve it. But when my father but when my father told me about these classes, told me to take these classes, I took these classes and found a lot of change in myself, and I started improving in this language because of a lot of practice and a good teaching by the sir. He is a very hard working person. You if you will work hard with him, then you will definitely become perfect in this language. So my request for all the newcomers is that please work hard with the sir. He will bring you from the bottom to the top of the English. And When I joined these classes, I was not able to frame the sentences and didn't able to find the grammatical mistakes in these sentences. But as the time went, I developed these things in my mind, and after taking two or three batches and revising the same things repeatedly, I did something new. I did something new in this language, and now I am able to speak on any topic given to me, and I can also do good conversation with people. This change is because of sir, and he is and this change is because of sir, and my father also motivated me to not leave the classes, because in the starting time I was very afraid of sir, because he rebuked me a lot, and that is helping me now. So I wanted a teacher like you, sir, in my life, and in my whole life, so that he can remind me my mistakes whenever I do something wrong. And English is a language that requires a lot of practice and a lot of practice of the questions, and it is not only important for competitive exams, but also to make our standard to a next level. I think that it is a very good language. We should learn it. If we will learn it by heart, then it will be a very interesting language. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today, my topic is my feedback and the problems I face within these classes. First of all, I will tell you that how I joined these classes. On 5 May 2022, I joined these classes, and I took my first batch as a batch 13. And in this On the first 2 3 days, I found the classes too boring, because the sir used to only motivate and give knowledge about the uses and the about the uses of the English. And so I thought that what the sir is teaching to us, I am not able to get it. But as the time passed, I knew the importance of the knowledge that he gave me in the starting. uh, he 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 realized the real situation of the schools and the real situation of my mind, since the last 10 years of my life, uh, within the experience of school. So when I realized the importance of these classes, I thought that these classes are the best, and the sir also proved many times it in my mind, by making me learn many things that I used to fear in my past. And But within this time period, I also faced many problems, like the the quarreling of the self, the losing of my mind, the interaction of between and many other things. The most iterating thing that I found in these classes in the starting was the quarrel with the sir. It was because of not being self practice, which and to your knowledge, I want to say you that self practice is the key to learn any language because until you will not practice yourself, you will not be able to get anything in your mind. And today I am speaking English because of my self practice and the hard work and the quarrel of the sir in the middle phase, like the past past 2 years. I thought of leaving these classes, but I did not. But I did not do it, and now I am a perfect at it.
Very good. But you should use scolding at the place of quarrel.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Keep it up, beta. Shabas, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman on an interactive classes of 16. And today, again, I am here with a new topic that is my feedback of learning English. So, as you know, I am student of B16, and I have been taking this classes more than 2 years. And the feedback and the result is very good, and the result is beyond my expectation. I want to tell you that how I was when I did not join this class.
Before
I
joining.
was very weak.
Bolo, bolo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was very weak in English. Even I could not speak 2 lines about me. And I did not know what is tense, what is subject, object, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, the and other things. But when I came here, I came to know. And sir taught us from zero level, and he taught us everything which is important to learn a language. And he used to give us a self work that is very important for to learn a language, because self works helps us to make sentences properly, and it also helps to make a system in our mind. Sir used to say that I will make a system in your mind, and that will work very fast. And I know, and I can say that that system has been made in my mind. Sometimes I feel that yeah, how can I speak English, and how are the sentences are coming in my mind? Uh, I used to iterate all the things like essay, paragraph, and answers of questions. And in my school, not only I, but also all were asked to iterate the things. And now it is also going on. But now I am speaking without iterating anything, because because this topic is given us at 6 5 p.m. and we did not know the topic of today. So it is good thing for me that I am speaking without memorizing anything. And sir made his all efforts to make able to use this language. And in middle, sir used to give us knowledge, and knowledge about the things, and he used to make aware us about the things. And I can say that it is and this class is not for English, but this class is important from all the views. And sir also taught us to deal with life. And and I want to tell you one thing more. And when I came here, then I used to make mistakes. So sir used to scold me, and I was to think that, yaar, how is this man, yaar? And मतलब he made me to weep um, without slapping and without beating.
शाबाश.
But I am happy today because of that scolding, I am able to speak this language. At last, and sir also told us to do hard work. And uh, and sir also told us the importance of focus. And focus is very important to do anything, because if you have focus, you can do anything in better way. So at last, I want to say that I respect the work of sir, and I want to thank you from my heart, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा. Nice speaking. Very nice speaking. Everything is very nice. I am proud of you. Great creation. Very good. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Anvi. सुना करो सब ध्यान से.
Yes, sir. Hello.
सुनोगे ध्यान से तो बहुत कुछ सीखोगे. सुना
Okay,
करो
sir.
ध्यान से क्या बोला जा रहा है, कौन क्या बोल रहा है.
सर अभी तो मेरी बारी है.
कौन?
सर गर्वित.
गर्वित की नहीं है, गर्वित से पहले अनवी है. आजा अनवी.
Hello everyone. My today's topic is feedback about this class. About this class, Sonal Didi told me he knows very well English, and she told me if you join this class, you know very well English. In first, when I come in this class, I could not save a single sentence. And sir told us you can speak as you wish. So, motivate me that you can do it.
पास्ट टेंस यूज करो बेटा. सोचो, दिमाग में फोकस करो. सेंटेंस पास्ट का आ रहा है दिमाग में तो
Okay,
पास्ट टेंस यूज करो बेटा. ध्यान से करो थोड़ा सा. घबराओ मत. थोड़ा बोलो लेकिन अच्छा बोलो. कोई मत चिंता मत करो. हाँ, शाबाश बेटा, बोलो.
And I will
मोटिवेटेड.
motivated from these lines of sir. So I could make many sentences and many paragraphs today, but I don't know very wellly.
कोई बात नहीं, हम सिखाएंगे तेरे को, चिंता मत कर. हाँ, I'll teach you बेटा. I'll make you perfect. You need not worry about it. शाबाश.
At my school, many children were no English, but I cannot speak English in front of them. But when I take these classes, I can speak English in front of them and front of my teachers,
शाबाश.
etc. When first I joined these classes, I am very shy, and I am very shy. I was very shy, or I cannot speak any word. Could not speak any word.
बता रहे हो आप. हाँ, ध्यान रखो, फोकस करो, बस अपने आप आ जाएगा. बोलो.
Could not speak any word in front of sir and any children. But but now I can speak sentences, paragraphs, many things in front of you and etc.
हाँ शाबाश बोल घबराए मत तू बोल सब हो जाएगा बोलती रह तू
My father tell me you can do it well, so
वैली नहीं
focus on it
वैली नहीं वेल
well. And sir also told me focus on it, so I focus on on on
ऑन माय
on 30 on my work and etc.
हो गया बेटा
नहीं सर बोल रही हूँ.
और बोल
So Sonal Didi tell me this: if I take these classes many than 2 years, I know very well English. So this is my nahi, third month to join these classes. I joined these classes in April 2025 and in batch 21. So that's it.
अरे वाह शाबाश बेटा बहुत मजा आ गया बस बहुत बढ़िया बोला बस थोड़ा सा टेंस को फोकस करना है अगली बार से है ना वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया
Okay, sir.
यस कम ऑन करवेट वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश बेटा यस सुनना बेटा
Yeah, yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today my topic is feedback.
I am not able to see you. Are you visible or invisible? Please tell me where you are. Please show me your face.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
like that. Yes, come on, speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर क्या मैं कैमरा बंद करके बोलूँ ऐसे आवाज नहीं आ रही
अच्छा बोल बोल
Yes, sir. Today my topic is feedback. First Sonal Didi said this class is when you take this class you learn English very well and this class is very best. When I come on this class first time, sir 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 teach English very well, but I thought I could not do and sir teach words, sentences and give self work to do and to improve us
शाबाश
and sir say I develop a message on your mind and I come on this batch on 2025 5th April and this class is very well. Yes, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड शाबाश थोड़ा फोकस करना और अच्छे से आपके ठीक है ना
Okay, sir.
जो
Thank you, sir.
for the students of B self writing topic for the students of B21 is feedback. Okay, this is your topic.
Okay, sir.
Yes, come on, Aditya. पधारो सा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Ganawat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is our feedback of our feed
फोकस
of
कर थोड़ा
uh, our feedback of these classes. First, I say my reason to join these classes. First reason is in I am very a loser in English, and my father say me always do practice, but I don't make sentences.
पास्ट
And
में could not make sentences पास्ट की बात
I
बता
could
रहे हो ना
not
अभी
I could not make sentences.
करो ना बेटा पास्ट है या प्रेजेंट है थोड़ा फोकस करो फिर हो जाएगा
Yes, sir.
A- After some years, my father goes to Jaipur and they
दोस्त
call
मिलाएगा
me.
वेंट आएगा ना.
They went to Jaipur and said me that uh, uh, I a link a link come came in your phone and take a online class on laptop.
हम्म. लैपटॉप.
Yes, sir.
खिलाड़ी.
Yes, sir. After some years, I know what is tense and what is interrogative sentences and negative sentence, etc. And now I learned advanced things, but I cannot make some sentences. But I try my best and to these sentences, and this is my practice and my improvement and my result. After when sorry when I give my final exam, so my all sentences are clear and I give all my credit and my credit goes to Rajesh ji sir. Thank you sir to teach me. Yes, sir, that's it.
थोड़ा फोकस कर यार अभी सेंटेंस पे है ना. थोड़ा सा फोकस अभी
Yes
और
sir.
कर सेंटेंसेस पे बेटा है ना. हाँ.
Okay sir.
राइटिंग और कंटिन्यू रखो बेटा अभी अपना. वेरी नाइस. बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. शाबाश. यस कम ऑन हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is my feedback or how I learned English. So my feedback is very good with these classes, and I have been taking these classes for more than 4 years. I joined these classes in batch B9, and from that time I have been taking these classes on the advice of my sister. My sister told me about these classes, but at the beginning of these classes, I thought uh, I thought that these classes it seemed to me that these classes were burden to me. And in the past, I used to think that I should leave these classes, and but slowly, I understood the value of these classes, and by then, I have been taking these classes. And before joining these classes, I thought that learning English in English we have to use only ing verb, and every sentences in English are only made using ing verb. And after joining these classes, I have learned many things. Like what are verbs, helping verbs, and what are concord, and many more things. And now I can speak English as I wish. As sir told us earlier that he told us that you would be able to speak English as you wish. So now I can say that I can speak English as I wish, and I can also write English as I wish. So I think Rajesh ji sir not only taught us English, but also he taught the moral values of our life and how can we survive in this society. At last, I want to say that my feedback with these classes is excellent, and that's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा. वेरी गुड बेटा. वेरी नाइस. यू नो हर्षित इज द ओल्डेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ here. Oldest student. He will complete his 4 years. I think in the month of August, 6 August, he will 5 August he will complete his 4 years. So he's nice student. His performance is very well. He is Rakshit, Rohit, Har, Sushil. All the students are doing well, but according to the time now, they have been doing practice for much time. So that is why. So now yes, I am coming Kabir. Kabir Sahib.
Yes, sir. I'm the student of Rambod Online English period. Today my topic is how I learned English classes. So when I taught in I know how slowly give
कैमरा बंद करो अपना. कैमरा बंद करके बोलो. कैमरा बंद करके बोलो. अब बोलो.
हेलो सर आवाज आ रही है
हाँ बोलो.
सर
स्पीक.
सर
बोलो.
हेलो
यही बिल्कुल गई आवाज।
Is how classes. So now that we are the student of our online interactive classes, and Rajesh ji sir teaches us English. When I joined these classes, I don't know how to speak. I
Not know.
when I was joined these classes,
टेंस का ध्यान रखो।
हाँ sir, I don't know how to.
मैं डिड नॉट नो कदे कह रहा हूँ, टेंस का ध्यान रखो।
Oh sorry,
बोल।
I did not know how to. I did not know how to speak English. Slowly, sir gives us many exercises. सर 1 मिनट में बाद में आऊंगा सर, पापा फोन कर रहे हैं।
Okay, 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 okay. So now I am calling. I think now I have the name of Komal है शायद. Yes, come on, Komal. Where are you, Komal? Yes, come on.
Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and today our topic is how we learn at English language. And we all know that English language is very necessary and important for all, and it is a subject and also international language, and most of the schools teachers teach us English as a subject only, and they want to good marks in the English subject. They don't prefer to teach English as a language, and but here we can see that sir teaches us English as a language only, and they want he wants to prepared with many things in English language. And in the when I joined these classes, I didn't know what is the sentences, verbs, and main verb, active passive voice, narration, etc. And sir taught us many things, and sir taught us what is active passive voice, verbs, main verbs, and how to making sentences, etc. And sir gave us many exercises to do in the homework, and in with the help of self practice also we can do it. And in the after it sir taught us English as an advanced grammar, and in the advanced grammar sir teaches us many speeches, narration models, and many passages, etc. And with the help of hard work we can do it. And sir did much of the hard work with us, and sir does also hard work with us, and with the help of self practice we can do it. And sir also says that hard work is the key, and also self practice is the key of success, and we can learn all things with the help of self practice. And English, we can learn all things with the help of self practice, and I am very thankful for sir to learn this language. And I didn't see as a teacher like a sir in my school life and a college life also, and I am very thankful for sir to make me perfect. And I know that I am not perfect, but perfection is the very important all people, and all not people, not a person perfect in our in his or her life, but all people need perfection in his or her life. And I am also doing well with the help of sir, and I am very thankful for sir. That's it, sir.
Very good, Komal. Nice speaking, beta. You have also more than 2 years, 2.5, I think. Very nice performance, beta. Shabash. Keep it up. कबीर आ गया क्या? नहीं आया, फिर चला गया.
हाँ
आजा नाराज मत हो.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from HBAT. Today's my topic is how I practice English in these classes. As you know that we are the student of Ramban online interactive classes, and Rajesh sir teaches us English. And when I joined these classes, I did not know how to speak English. And Rajesh sir, uh, Rajesh sir told us we we speak very easily English, but I think that I cannot do this, but I could not do this. But Rajesh sir motivate me, and now I am speaking. Now I am speaking English. I practice English by doing self writing. Rajesh sir gave us exercises, and we can solve it by improve our English. Uh, I solved all the exercises, and now I am speaking English very well. I proud of sir that student like me. सर मेरे जैसे स्टूडेंट को अपने पढ़ना सिखाते हैं, इसे कैसे बोलूं?
Students, you taught to teach, you taught English the students like me.
Yes, sir. Sir, for English now I'm speaking very well, and you also motivate me to speak English. I do many practice, like I do also many.
Much practice. Gade.
I do much practice of tenses, models, etc. So it is the result of that. And thank you, sir, for teach me English very well. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good. थोड़ा सा टेंस पे फोकस करो बेटा, है ना? बाकी बहुत अच्छा है बेटा. शाबाश.
Okay, sir.
Come on, Lakshmi.
Sir.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is how did I learn English, and I was very weak in English subject, and I have been taking these classes for 1 year, and I could not know what is beta verb and what is tense, and I could not know how make the sentence. And when I meet Rajesh sir, I joined these classes, and these classes is very useful for all the students, because every student learnt a lot of things, and sir always teaches more and more, and every day my thinking capacity is developing,
शाबाश.
and sir always motivate us, and sir always say us that focus is very important to learn any type of language, and when and nowadays I think that all the competition examination is very easy, because
हाँ, बोलो.
when we keep focus and we can do everything, we can achieve our success, our goal, and English language is very important in every country, and sir scolded me a lot of time, and sir always sir teaches us basic grammar in beginning, and I did all exercise, and I revised 3 times the book of Ramban, and I could not know what is passive voice and what is active voice, and I was very weak in English subject, and I was very intelligent when I learned English, and I got 86 marks in English literature subject in 12th class because of sir. And sir always motivate us, and sometimes sir scold us. When sir scold me, that day I I learn I read English, and I make I make a lot of sentence. Sir check my all exercise, and I am grateful because of sir. Sir always teaches very well, and that's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, साल भर से ऊपर हो गया तेरे को, बहुत अच्छा है बेटा। आपको डिलीट नहीं कर सकता इस चीज को, जो सिस्टम तुम्हारे माइंड में डेवलप हो चुकी है।
Yes, sir.
काजल कहाँ गई? नाम लिख के कहाँ चली गई? काजल, she is not here. Okay, Anjali first.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is how did I learn English? I I am learning English for 4 months. First, sir, tell me to do self practice. And then sir tell me basic English like simple sentence and easy. Then I do exercises from book or PDF. I improved my English when I speak English in front of everyone. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो बेटा। काजल आ गई क्या? काजल
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है बेटा, कहाँ चली जाती है? आजा
वो मेरी क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी।
आजा आजा, बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. My name is Meena. Today my topic is feedback.
अनवी, हाँ बेटा,
Uh,
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं बेटा, बोल तो लिया ना तुमने, बस ठीक है बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हाँ यस, कम ऑन काजल, काजल कैरी ऑन।
yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Katil Meena. Today my topic is my feedback. I have been taking classes for 1 year, and before taking these classes, sir,
हाँ चलो तुम ठीक हो के आओ, मैं जब तक किसी और को बुलाता हूँ। खुशी मीणा तुम आ जाओ, जब तक आजा बेटा। काजल आराम से आ जा, तो ठीक करके जो भी तरह है। खुशी तुम आ जाओ, खुशी मीणा
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ।
Hello, everyone. My name is Khushi Meena, and today's topic is how I learned English.
आराम से बोलना बेटा, धीरे धीरे फोकस करके बोल बेटा।
Weak in English. I didn't know how to write and learn English. Then my brother told me, you join this class.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे, आराम से, हाँ बेटा।
Then I joined this class 24 April 2025.
शाबाश।
My first day was very strange. first Saturday was very different because I see all students and all students speak English very fast
हम्म
and without mistake.
शाबाश, बोल ऐसे बोलते रहो, सही बोल रहे हो, बिल्कुल घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल भी हो जाएगी स्पीड अपने आप, बोलते रहो बेटा ऐसे ही। हाँ
And slowly I told English.
आई स्पोक इंग्लिश, घबराओ मत। आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, घबराओ मत, आगे बोलो।
In front all people.
हाँ शाबाश।
Then I know.
आई न्यू, सेकंड फॉर्म।
Then I knew English right, and then I know. Then I knew write and learn English. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। लिखना बेटा इस टॉपिक पे है ना आज, सेल्फ राइटिंग में ये लिखना बेटा, B21 वाले इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना। कोशिश, बस कुछ नहीं, कोशिश क्या करो बस। सबके साथ होता है बेटा ऐसे, ऐसा मत सोचो कि तुम्हारे साथ ही हो रहा है ये जो आज इतना फ्लो में बोल रहे हैं ना, जितने भी लोगों को तुमने देखा फ्लुएंटली बोल रहे हैं, जो स्टार्टिंग में यही पूछी, सुना नहीं तुमने कैसी डांट खाते थे, इनका मन करता था क्लास छोड़ के भाग जाए। सुना नहीं तुमने क्या कह रहे थे अभी, कि मन करता था छोड़ दो बस, पढ़ना ही नहीं है यहाँ पे। स्टार्टिंग में होता है, पर आप अगर इस बॉर्डर को अगर आप क्रॉस कर गए ना एक बार, बस फिर कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको। ये सबके साथ होता है, दिस इज नॉट ओनली विद यू, इट हैपन्स विद ऑल। बस घबराओ मत, लगे रहो आप, कोशिश करते रहो बस। ओके, यहाँ तक आ गए तो आगे कौन रोकेगा अपने को जाने से, कोई नहीं रोक सकता अपने को। ठीक है, चलिए कम ऑन नेक्स्ट। काजल आई क्या? काजल, आई थिंक शी हैज सम प्रॉब्लम। यस कम ऑन, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग मीनू। घबराओ मत, 2 ही लाइन बोलो, वो मेरे को पता है अपने आप आ जाएगा। फ्लो बोलोगे, अच्छे बोलोगे, खूब बोलोगे। आ जाओ बेटा, बोलो बेटा।
Hey everyone, my name is Bhu. Today I'm telling you about how I learn English. I knew English, but didn't know how to speak English in front of other people.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
So I felt very bad in front of my friends because spoke English very well. Then my brother said me that you must join the Ramban English online classes. Then I joined classes on 4th June 2025.
शाबाश बेटा।
Within 2 months, I spoke English very well.
शाबाश बेटा।
The most important thing is that we all know English because of you. Your teaching sense is very amazing, and your book also. And we know that practice makes a man perfect. So we practice, you give exercise for do, and we do exercises daily on time. And from Monday teaching session will also start. So I spoke English also very well.
वेरी गुड। अरे शाबाश, मजा आ गया, बहुत बढ़िया। ये कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए बेटा, बस कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सब बोलोगे। यू विल स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश, दिस इज माय प्रॉमिस। ठीक है, एंड नाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग यार बेटा, यू आर स्पीकिंग। So this is true. Actually, this is not difficult here, but it needs a system that must be installed into your minds. And after proper installation, it works very well. Like you install any app in your mobile, and that works very well. And it gets updated time to time. So like that, you must update yourself. Come on, काजल आई क्या? काजल आई नहीं. कोई बात नहीं
Yes,
है.
sir.
आ गई क्या? आजा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is my feedback. I have been taking these classes for about 1 year, and before these classes, I was very shy in English, and I was not able to understand this language, and I couldn't know. I couldn't make sentences, and I also didn't know how to make sentences and paragraph also, and we know that the practice is very important for all, because it makes us a perfect man.
शाबाश बेटा.
And so nowadays I am very I'm able to speak and also writing in English, and I understand this language, and this is possible because of my hard work, and also Ravindra sir, and it is these classes are very useful for me, and I was very happy because I teach English. I teach English for you, sir.
I learn English from you. I learned English from you. हाँ, because you taught me English. ऐसे बोलो. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो. घबराओ मत.
Yes, sir. Because you taught me English. It is very before taking these classes, it is very difficult for me to understand this language, and nowadays I'm able to understand this language, and
शाबाश.
because of my self practice, and sir take us exercise, and we practice, and we do them, and it is very useful for us, and these classes are very useful for me, and I'm very satisfied, and all credit goes to you, sir, because you are very good teacher, and you are very hardworking person, and you also do hard work for us, and thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड है बेटा, मजा आ गया. शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. सुनना बेटा अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. यस अनुज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today we are given a topic. We are given a topic for all the batches that is common, and that is feedback. I have been taking these classes for past 3 months, and I before 2 years I came here, and I also took these classes for 2 months,
शाबाश
about 2 months, and I thought that it is enough, and I can't do it anymore.
couldn't.
I couldn't do it anymore, and I went away.
नहीं
And
लेफ्ट हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोलो
I left and thought that is what is this is a headache. This is a headache. Yeah. And
शाबाश शाबाश speak English as you wish. Yes.
yes,
Come
sir.
on. बोलो बेटा.
Yes, sir. And the reason behind taking these classes by seeing my younger brothers and Harshit and Rakshit, and I took their result. I saw their result, and then decided to take these classes. And when the Harshit started to take this class, and me and Rakshit used to make fun with him when he was taking classes, and I thought that he is wasting his time.
You was wasting. हाँ बोलो.
He was wasting his time. He could not do anything in English, and he could not improve his English by taking this online class.
शाबाश शाबाश बोलते रहो. Very good. हाँ.
And time changes, and the the transformation I saw in him, and I got inspiration from him that if he could, then I can also. I could also. And then I took these classes, and I am a government school student, and for me it is not. It is hard to believe to speak English, because in government school, every student cannot even think that he or she can speak this.
इसको ऐसे बोलो. No student can think. Every student cannot किया जाएगा. No student can think. हाँ बोलो आगे बोलो.
No student can think to speak, and whatever there is, we have learnt because of sir and because of our practice. And at the first day, when I came, first day sir taught the 3 pillars: learning, practice, and self practice. And the batch that I am taking, this time it is Grammarly, it is about to over, and I learned so many things here, and there was a myth in my mind when I was academic student, before taking these classes, that there is in English subject, general English, we all suffered from reading story, learning story, reading. And the first sentence, once upon a time, and at the time, we in my mind, it was become a fix that this line will come, and no sense why this will, and there is no sense that learn and write this. And then I thought that this is the way, and we lifetime we will do like this, and there is no escape from this. And then we changed, and we changed, and we make the sentence that we think.
Very good.
And And in the childhood, in my teenage, when I thought that the insect of English cannot be solved.
Hmm.
But after coming here, it was easy to me
Hmm.
to make this happen.
Hmm.
And it happened because of sir and because of our practice. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. बस कंटिन्यू रहो, आप कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, है ना. बस कंटिन्यू रहो आप क्लास के अंदर, बस. यस, कम ऑन किरण.
Yes, sir. My name is Kiran Bairwa. How learn English? My topic is how learn English.
Hmm.
I came to know about the English classes from Kushi Didi.
Hmm.
I have noticed a lot of difference from before.
Hmm.
I did not know English before.
Hmm. Now need know.
I
बोलो बोलो.
I did not know about indirect and direct object
Hmm.
before.
Hmm.
But I came to know all this after reading from Rajesh ji sir.
Hmm.
That has indirect and direct object and learned about tenses.
Hmm.
How is a paragraph formed from?
Hmm. बोलो.
I understood all this.
Hmm.
I got to learn a lot by 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 studying from Rajesh ji sir.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. कोशिश करते रहो, एक ना बेटा इसी टॉपिक पे आ जाना.
Okay.
बस बोलने लग जाओगे एक बार, फिर तो हम करवा लेंगे यार, चिंता मत करो. तो बोलने लग गए हो आप लोग, नथिंग टू वरी. मधु, शाबाश बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. Today, my topic is feedback of these classes.
Hmm.
I have taken these classes for 7 months,
Hmm.
and before these taking these classes, I feared very much in from to English, and I felt uh, very weak in English, and I couldn't I
शाबाश शाबाश.
couldn't
हाँ,
make
वेरी गुड,
any
बहुत बढ़िया. बस ऐसे फोकस करो.
sentences,
शाबाश बेटा,
and
फोकस करते रहो.
I knew tenses, but I couldn't apply for I couldn't apply tenses for speaking.
Hmm.
And after these classes, I sir promised me that you will speak as you wish.
Hmm.
And in first month, sir taught us subject, object, verb, and how to make sentences,
Hmm.
how to make paragraphs, stories, etc.
अरे वेरी, बहुत अच्छा
And
बोला बेटा, शाबाश, मजा आ गया, बोलती रहे. हाँ, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
after 1 month, sir started uh, uh, speaking session,
Hmm.
and then I was surprised to see that I was speaking
वेरी गुड,
in
बहुत बढ़िया बोला,
English,
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
and uh, that was hard work of sir, and sir did not taught only English, but also uh, taught, but also removed my faults and improved my capacity and ability.
Hmm.
And uh, and sir always uh, uh, sir always improved our focus and uh, the sir always increase our confidence and sir used to give passages uh, through passages uh, through passages my reading skill improved and um, through sir used to give many exercise uh, through exercise uh, my uh, my faults removed and increase my confidence and also my skills like speaking skill, reading, writing, also and these classes helped to my competitive exams and um, and last I said I say that is thank you sir, that's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। अब तो आगे बोलना तेरे को। बोल।
Yes sir. हाँ सर।
आगे आप तो भरोसा बेटा, कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है बेटा, कुछ है नहीं। अब तुमको लग रहा है कुछ नहीं है यार, कुछ नहीं है वास्तव में। इंग्लिश बोलना कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है यार, इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग। पर आपको गलत तरीके से तुम्हारे को खोपड़ियों में डाला जा रहा है, उसको कहाँ से अंग्रेजी आएगी। प्रॉब्लम ये है बस, वो सिस्टम गलत है जिसका शिकार आप हो रहे हो। और वो लोग पढ़ा रहे हैं जिनको इंग्लिश की एबीसीडी नहीं पता स्कूलों में। विपिन आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am a student of Ramban online entertainment classes.
एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं, इंटरएक्टिव क्लासेस गधे। एंटरटेनमेंट हाँ, इंटरएक्टिव क्लासेस हाँ।
Interactive classes. Today my topic name is how do I learn English. I am a student of B21. I learn affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence. I make sentences, paragraph, and letters. I joined to class 24th April 2025. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बस ऐसी कोशिश करना है बस, बाकी हम देख लेंगे। प्रियंका।
Thank you, sir.
आ जाओ।
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. My topic is my feedback. I learned a lot in their month, 3 months.
थोड़ी सी मैं मोबाइल को सही सेट कर ले थोड़ा सा ऐसे। अब बोल।
Like simple present,
बिल्कुल मत डरे, घबराए मत, तू बोलती रहे बस। हाँ।
which told me what a verb in what an object is and learned to make sentence. Sir told me very well. तो सही है।
तो तू हर सेंटेंस में पूछेगी तो गलत हो जाएगा ना, तू बोल बस। अभी टोल्ड नहीं, टॉट आएगा वैसे, टॉट मी। टोल्ड क्यों लगाएगी, पढ़ाया मुझे। घबराए मत, तू बोल। सही गलत ऐसे चक्कर में पड़ेगी तो तू बोल ही नहीं पाएगी, फिर तू बोल बस।
ठीक है सर। In 3 months, we type verb and simple present or etc. Now I can make more sentence in English.
Oh, shabash. Boल.
Thank you, sir. You taught me very well. You told me
टोल्ड नहीं
to.
पागल, टॉट.
You taught. You taught me to do each and everything
हम्म
carefully.
हम्म
Carefully.
हम्म.
I did not know how to speak English.
नाउ नहीं, नो होता है. हाँ बोलो, आगे बोलो.
Then Kiran told me about Rajesh ji sir.
अच्छा.
I joined Rajesh ji sir class. After that I learned to speak and a little English. Thank you, sir.
अरे वाह, शाबाश, मजा आ गया. आज तो बहुत बढ़िया है. पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला है तूने. ऐसे बोला कर बस. और लिखना कंटिन्यू रख बेटा अपना, है ना, अपना फीडबैक लिखना B11 वाले सारे के सारे. आज का जो हुआ है टॉपिक वही लिखना है आपको. विपिन, प्रियंका, मुस्कान, इसको कहाँ ढूंढूं? आजा.
Yes, sir.
आजा.
Good evening, everyone. And today I am telling about how to learn English. And Priya Didi told me about these classes. And my condition was very bad before these classes. And then I take these classes. And sir made us to exercise and self work. And sometimes sir scold us for our mistake. And sir always say that I play with our mind. And sir motivate us. And the classes are very interesting because sir teach different way.
In different way, huh?
In different ways. And I have been taking this class for 1 year.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलते जाओ.
And
सेंटेंस बहुत अच्छा बनाया. हाँ.
And 1 second. Yes, sir. Sir track our exercise and self work. And sir improve. And sir always say that self work is the key of success. And my English language is my big problem because I study in English medium school. And before this classes about these classes I thought English language is very hard language. And I never thought I can speak English.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. हाँ.
And sir promise us speak English as you wish. And sir is very hard work person. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। आजकल तो सुस्त रहती है, क्या बात है? हैं?
Hello, sir.
हाँ, आजकल तो कुछ दुखी दुखी सी रहती है, क्या बात है? पढ़ाई वढ़ाई का ज्यादा लोड आ रहा है क्या बेटा? अच्छा, वेरी गुड। तो जिम ने जाती नहीं जाती आजकल?
No, sir.
क्यों?
सर अपनी नाना का रिटायरमेंट है, जब जाऊंगी।
जाएगी अभी भी, मतलब बंद नहीं किया तूने? ओके, ठीक है बेटा, ओके, वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन, खुशी गुजर। अंजलि मीणा सेकंड, तुम भी आ जाओ। हाँ, अगर मन है तो बेटा आ जाओ। हाँ, बोलो खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Khushi Gujjar. My topic is how did I learn English? Uh, Before joining these classes, I was very weak in English subject. So I study English subject. I study English subject only to the limitation that I could pass. And always I achieved passing marks in English subject.
अचीव्ड की जगह गॉट। आगे बोलो बेटा।
I didn't know how to make sentence and how to use is am, was, were, have in the sentence. And the English subject always used to confuse me. So I lost interest in this subject.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, ऐसे बोला कर, फोकस करके थोड़ा। हाँ।
And somewhere in my mind I had thought that I would never understand and learn in English language. And after some time my sister took English literature 11th class. So she joined these classes, and she learned English very quickly. So I thought that I can learn English also. And then my sister asked me to join these classes, and then I joined these classes. And after joining these classes, sir taught basic English grammar in starting, and sir gave exercise, and I completed them. Sir had given a lot of paragraphs and stories
सर gave
to learn.
आगे बोलो।
Sorry, sir gave a lot of paragraph and stories to learn English. Slowly I understand everything in English, and I can speak, writing, read in English. I talk to others in English language, and if I listen English news, या read English book या sentence, or okay sir, so I easily understand. And my English language and thinking capacity are improving day by day. And I got a lot of knowledge of these classes due to these classes. and 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 mm, and sir, mm, due to sir, I able to speak English, and I'm so grateful of Rajesh ji sir. Thank you, Rajesh sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। आज
That's
कहता क्या है ये तो? अब देख आज कितना बढ़िया बोला इसने। आज सुनना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग आज।
okay,
कभी
sir.
कभी तो ऐसे हो जाती है तू जैसे पता नहीं वास्तव में कोई तेरे को कोई बहरूजी आ जाते हैं, क्या आ जाते हैं, ऐसे हो
सर
जाता
वो
है।
एक्चुअली है ना, आजकल मैं हिस्ट्री, राजस्थान की हिस्ट्री और ये ऐसे ज्योग्राफी ज्यादा पढ़ रही हूँ ना, तो ये इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट बहुत कम उठाया ना, इसके कारण बहुत मतलब उस माइंड में ना वही वो चलता है, इसके कारण में एकदम ब्लॉक हो जाता है
आउट ऑफ
माइंड।
ट्रैक हो जाती है। आज कितना बढ़िया बोली है, मतलब कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
यस सर।
फोकस किया कर बेटा, है ना बेटा? फोकस
ओके
कर
सर।
लिया सब कुछ, कॉन्फिडेंस सब कुछ। और दिन तो ऐसे लगता है जैसे पता नहीं धूज रही है, कांप रही है, हे भगवान क्या हो जाएगा इसको पता नहीं अभी। ऐसे बेटा थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रखा करो। कॉन्फिडेंस की बात है और कुछ भी नहीं है बस, है ना बेटा?
ओके
यू
सर।
कैन डू यार, कर रहे हो तुम यार, बात ये है। फिर डर किस बात का है? किस बात का डर है? फिर आ गया तुमको, हो गया। ये तो मैं प्रैक्टिस करे जाओ बस अब, और क्या है, इसलिए है। वरना हो गया तुम्हारा काम। तो दुनिया की कोई ताकत डिलीट नहीं कर सकती सिस्टम को। भगवान ने
यस
चाहा
सर।
तो अगले जन्म में भी अगर पैदा होगे ना तो इंग्लिश की इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी तुम्हारे।
यस
ध्यान
सर।
रखना। हाँ यस, कम
थैंक
ऑन।
यू सर।
अंजलि सेकंड। अरे बेटा काय का थैंक यू यार बेटा। यस कम ऑन अंजलि मीणा, आजा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Anjali Meena.
कैमरा चालू कर ले अंजलि मीणा।
हाँ sir.
कैमरा चालू कर ले बेटा। कैमरा कैमरा होता है ना बेटा।
हाँ sir. Yes. Sir,
कोई बात नहीं, इतना ठीक है हमारे लिए। बोल।
today's my topic, my feedback. I have been taking these classes 4 months.
घबराए मत, बोलते जा तू।
My first class, my first class was very nice. I was joined to 24 April. My English language was very weak before, but now it is getting better.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए मत।
English is very useful language our life on every field.
इन एवरी फील्ड बेटा।
In every field.
घबराए मत, बिल्कुल बढ़िया बोल रही है तू, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ।
I was teach Rajesh sir.
आई वाज मीटिंग, आई मेट, सेकंड फॉर्म आएगी ना सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में। कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आगे बोलो। हाँ
That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं। कोशिश क्या करो, रेगुलर रहो बिल्कुल, है ना?
Yes, sir.
दोनों बैचेस को रेगुलर लो आप। यस कम ऑन। अभिजीत बोलोगे बेटा कुछ अपने बारे में? 2 लाइन 4 लाइन है बेटा मन? अभिजीत, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? बोलोगे बेटा? अभिजीत बोलोगे बेटा कुछ? नहीं? बोलना है? बोलो
Yes, sir.
बोलो बेटा.
My name is Abhijit Meena. I read in 12th class in RGPS school. I joined this batch on 27 sir. I do not understand English because my vocabulary is not good. But, but I make practice and I make sentence. Sir,
कोई बात नहीं. और बोलोगे? कोई बात नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया हम बुलवा देंगे, चिंता मत करो. हाँ, सुशील की तरह ही बुलवाएंगे तुम्हारे को, चिंता ना करो. Yes, thank you very much. I think all have done. So now this is the time of closing the class. Thank you very much.